All right, here we go for Unit 7, Lesson 6. Just 5 questions here on this page. So question number 1, Diego was trying to write 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 with a single exponent and wrote 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 equals 2, and then he multiplied the exponents. Okay, explain what Diego, what his mistake was and what the answer should be. So Diego multiplied the exponents, but he should have we know that he should have added them, so he should have added them. So it would have been 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 equals, and then he should have added them. So it would be 2 to the power of 5. Okay, number 2, Andre was trying to write 7 to the power of 4 divided by 7 to the power of negative 3 with a single exponent and wrote 7 to the power of 4 equals 7 to the power of 3 equals 7 to the power of 4 minus 3. Okay, so something went wrong there. Okay, it's not just minus 3. He got the subtraction right, but it's minus negative 3. So Andre subtracted by 3 when he should have subtracted by negative 3. So it should be 7 to the 4th over 7 to the negative 3rd. He should have done 7 to the 4 minus negative 3. Okay, minus negative, whenever you have minus negative, you can turn both of them into positive, so plus, so 4 plus 3, it would result in 7 to the 7th degree. Okay, select all the expressions that are equivalent to 3 to the power of negative 4. Okay, I know that 3 to the power of negative 4 could also be written as a fraction, 1 to the power, or 1 over the power of 3, 1 over 3 to the power of 4. Okay, that's also 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That'll be 1 over 81. Okay, so we're looking for stuff that looks like any of those 3 options. Okay, they tried to trick you here. Okay, negative exponents will never make negative numbers. Okay, so that is automatically not correct, and D is automatically not correct. We're looking for fractions here. Okay, well, we have 1 over 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that is 1 over 3 to the 4th, which is what we have right here. So that is correct. Okay, and then we have 1/9 squared, so we have 1/9 times 1/9. Okay, we could simplify that. 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 9 is 81. And we got that right there. So that is equivalent. And then checking this one, we can subtract those 2 exponents. We would get 2 minus negative 2. And like I said, whenever you have minus negative, you can turn them both into positive. That would be an exponent of positive 4. That means right here, you have 3 to the power of 4. Well, that is not the same thing as 3 to the power of negative 4, so that's not equivalent. Okay, here, write each expression using a single exponent. Okay, same rules apply. So we can do 2 minus 5, which is negative 3, so that's 6 to the power of negative 3. Here we can multiply, so 4 times 7. Okay, 4 times 7 is 28. So we have 12 to the power of 28. Okay, same thing, we can multiply here. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, so that's 19 to the power of negative 15. Okay, and we can subtract here, so we have 8 minus 6 equals 2, so that's 14 squared. Okay, number 5, very last problem, solve the system by elimination. Elimination, we need opposites. I see right here we have negative 4 and positive 4. So if we added everything together, those would cancel out. We need to add everything else, so we get 7x equals, and that is 14. Okay, divide by 7 on both sides. X will equal 2. 14 over 7 is 2. Take that 2, and plug it back in for x. So let's use this top equation. So 2, and instead of x, we'll do times 2, minus 4y equals 12. Well, 2 times 2, we know that's 4. Okay, this number over here, 4 is a number, there's no variable attached to it, needs to go over with the other number. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 4. You'll get negative 4y equals 8. Last thing you need to do is divide negative 4. Divide negative 4. Y will be positive over negative is negative. 8 over 4 is 2. And you write your final answer as an ordered pair. X goes first, so 2, and then y is negative 2. All right, and that is lesson 7, or unit 7, lesson 6 homework.